Hi there, we are opening a new phone. It's
iPhone
XS. That's what it's called. Yep, there you go. XS 256 GB. So we're opening it. Then my wee boy just be slashed open, so it's not complete open. So we're just gonna trying to open it complete. So see what we got in the box. Okay. There you go. Okay. Yes, he's happy for it. Okay, we do have this box and a. Okay. And the box says, see what we got in here is big 256 GB iPhone XS Space Grey, yeah. That's what we've got, okay? Okay, there you go. First time, box open. Some of the paper as usual. Yep, just a sticker, papers. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Okay. No. Put on your shop. Okay. Sockets, an earphone, and a lightning cable also. So this is what we got.
Give me back.
This is just a bit open, and then we're gonna have a next video for let's turn on this one. So obviously,
Charger.
okay.
Oh, charger!
Yeah.
Yay! Hopefully.
The boy's happy. Yeah. Okay, he wants to.
iPhone X.
He wants to hold it.
Give me.
Okay. Right, that's all for the now. So we'll catch up with the next video. So we're gonna make it
Nice!
set up for you. Okay, thank you.